significant push to be go-to AI for creative professionals. They have unveiled a series of connectors that allow its AI Cloud to interact directly with industry standard software like Adobe Creative Cloud, Blender, and Ableton. The company wants to turn its chatbot into a go-to-all AI for creative professionals. According to Anthropic, these integrations aim to handle the repetitive, time-consuming parts of the creative process. This lets users focus on the creative parts while AI manages manual toil for file organization. The integration of Blender is particularly noteworthy. Claude now offers a natural language interface for Blender's Python API. This means 3D artists can now use simple English to analyze scenes or write custom script. Anthropic has even become a corporate patron for the Blender Development Fund. The partnership involves a yearly contribution of at least 240,000 euros to help the software remain free and open source. Music producers and architects also get a boost. Through the Ableton connector, Claude can now answer technical questions by sourcing information directly from official manual. SketchUp users can describe a concept for a 3D model to the AI and open that starting point directly into the app for further refinement. Even Splice has joined the coalition, allowing producers to search through royalty-free samples directly within the Claude interface. Adobe users will now use Claude that can draw from over 50 tools across apps like Photoshop or Premiere. This enables tasks like retouching portraits or resizing videos for social media through simple conversational prompt. Similarly, Affinity Converter helps automate production tasks such as layering, renaming, and batch image exports.